Welcome to this week's episode of Sailing Talia. After spending the winter here on the Italian island of Sicily, the time has come for us to start getting ready to ship out. Join us as we prep Talia to start cruising again.
Just to let you know that today is going to be a cleaning day for me. Luke went to Catania to get a car because these are probably our last days here in Marina di Ragusa, and we need to stock up before leaving, and we need a car for that because we can't go grocery shopping without a car. So he went to Catania airport to get a rental car, and I'm staying here doing cleaning. So yeah, I'm gonna clean the whole boat. As you can see, I'm pretty excited. I like cleaning. Well, now ask me in an hour if I'm still excited about it. I'm not sure I will. I'm gonna start with the V-berths and then I'll go like this to the aft cabins. So my day is gonna be cleaning this boat.
First step of provisioning for the day, gas. Grazie. We're back. We don't have any space left. Maybe move this wetsuit here. Oh, I think we're gonna need a bigger boat.
We're gonna need a bigger boat.
Don't forget that we still have to go to the wine shop.
Oh, yeah, we're gonna need a bigger car then first.
All right, let's go.
Now to my favourite shop for provisioning in all of Sicily.
Yeah, of course. Alright, so after a day of grocery shopping yesterday, today is the laundry. So I have a full bag of clothes that are clean. I think it's gonna take me at least 30 minutes to fold everything. And after that I'll work on the episode because I want to be ready by Thursday and we still have a lot to do before leaving on Saturday.
So it might sound strange, but one of my favourite parts of boat life is splicing lines. Having just finished making a bridle for the anchor chain, I decided to whip up some soft shackles for the reefing lines of the new mainsail. Using 5mm Dyneema and a solid diamond knot, these bad boys put their stainless counterparts to shame in terms of braking strength, and are less likely to damage the sails. It was also high time to clean, brighten and seal the teak. We used the products from Teak Wonder and couldn't be happier with the result. So you are on stainless polishing and I am on gel coat restoration.
And after we cleaned the deck.
Yep, So I've got the shampoo there, I've got the polish there, and the sandpaper to sand back the gel coat work that I did yesterday. Everything should be good. Let's go.
Vamos!
So last year we had a bit of trouble with the anchor often not flipping in the swivel when being pulled into the bow roller. So the people at Ultramarine got in touch and said, would you like to try out our Ultra Flip Swivel, which is designed so that each time the anchor is pulled up, it rights itself when it's being pulled into the bow roller. So we thought, why not? Let's give it a go. Here it is. Very, very curious to see how this goes at the anchorage. So let's lock it in and see what happens. So this is the old swivel, a conventional swivel. Honestly, it's done the job pretty well, but we just had a few occasions last year where the anchor came up the wrong way around and freaked out a little bit. And I've just finished patching up a couple of holes in the gel coat, so I'd like to avoid that happening this coming sailing season. So we're going to connect this bad boy and see what happens. So my hands are full of oxalic acid after cleaning the deck to get all the rust off the deck that's been accumulating since Valencia and the Sahara Desert from here. I wouldn't recommend it to anyone, but it did the job. The deck is looking pretty white. It's a sad moment. We're gonna miss these guys.
You're gonna have to give me some slack like you did when I was here.
It's been our wake-up call for the last 6 months. I'm very sorry to say goodbye to that. There wins, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Right, Ron. Take a look after him, will you?
That was better.
It's crazy, you know, when you've been living as neighbours for the last 6 months in this sort of environment, you build a connection with people, and it's a sad week because everyone's contracts are coming to an end, so everyone's starting to leave, and we got on really well with those guys, Grant and Ronnie on Coolbadi, and lots of aperitifs.
The thing is, it's you see a face or two faces every day, every morning, every evening. You chat with them every day, and all of a sudden they just leave, and they were so generous as well. So.
Yeah, they were super kind with us, always giving a helping hand and always inviting us over for their famous gorgonzola, and showed us all the best places to get the wine. So thank you, Grant and Bronnie, for that.
Thank you. Thank you for everything, and we really hope that we'll be able to see you again this year.
Yeah, fingers crossed we'll see you guys in Greece or somewhere else along the way.
Oh yes.
Maybe even one day in Sydney Harbour.
Alright, let's go working.
Let's get back to work. Join us next week as we cast our winter lines and start cruising again. Grazie! Grazie! So the journey has finally started again. We are moving! With Greece in our sights, we can't wait to explore more of this beautiful blue marble and share it all with you. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you next week. Cheers, legends!